designer, and I worked on the Nike Adapt Automax.
I'm Reggie. I'm a PLM at Nike, and I worked on the Automax. For the second drop, we're going back to this idea of infrared. Also, it relates back to the Airmax 90 and the most iconic color of that shoe.
The Nike Mag was certainly a large point of inspiration for us. We wanted to take a few different elements of that Mag DNA and shoot it through the lens of Airmax in order to create kind of a new silhouette.
And we got super inspired by this kind of clash of the future and the retro elements of Tokyo life and architecture. And so I think that was definitely something that we wanted to play into within the design.
So this app, like any of the other Nike Adapt products, is to basically facilitate interacting with the shoe in a new way. So one of the features with this shoe is going to be a shortcut via voice through 5 customizable Siri shortcuts.
You'll now have the ability to control your fit from your wrist, meaning that with your Apple Watch you'll be easily able to tighten and loosen the fit. We're going to offer more variation going forwards with 13 different iconic Nike colors. I think one of the things that you did really nicely is the kind of idea that the shoe's going to kind of cup and hug the foot. Even just like looking at the shoe, it looks super comfortable. Of course, the whole team did an amazing job. It's one of the most complex projects that I've been part of, so props to the team.